Duanbura mar Devolution Empowerment Party motenle kod Governor machon Mameru Kiraitu Murungi okwedo ng'anyo ma itime pacho ka kod riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kagiwacho ni ng'anyo makamago medo nyayo tulo. Murungi yango ni gidar e riwruog Azimio kendo koro gidonja yangi duanbura mar UDA.
We would like to let you know once again that the Devolution Empowerment Party, Embas, used to be in Azimio, but we are no longer part of the Azimio coalition. So we have moved out of Azimio. And we are not supporting what the Azimio coalition is doing. We are not supporting the demonstrations and the political actions that they are taking. We know there's a lot of hardship in the country. Food prices are high, fuel prices are high, the cost of living is high. What we are not seeing as the Embas Party are concrete, practical proposals coming from Azimio on how to deal with this crisis. Food prices will not come down merely because you have shouted very hard. No amount of demonstrations in this country will bring down the fuel prices. No amount of demonstrations will bring down the cost of living.
The Devolution Empowerment Party has noted with concern the escalating political tension in the country occasioned by the Azimio coalition's call for demonstrations across the country. The party is concerned that the so-called peaceful demonstrations are not only violent, but confrontational and resulting in loss of life, destruction of property, and disruption of peace and daily activities of the common mwananchi. Kenya's